to my channel. Here is my new project. A classic car model which will be controlled by a mobile app. To control this, we are using a Blynk app. Before that, before showing the vehicle control, I want to show you how it is being designed. Actually, few mechanical techniques we have been used. We used SolidWorks software to design this. After designing, we used metal sheet, and we used some bending machines and drilling machines, cutting tools, and we made this shape. After complete assembly, I have been attached to the control system. To control this vehicle, I have been used Arduino programming with some special programming chip. To see this electronic circuit, I have been used ESP8266 MOD Wi-Fi module. Okay, it is excellent chip for Wi-Fi control related projects. It will work through Wi-Fi, so you can control the vehicle from any point of that respective Wi-Fi range. And apart from that, we use two motors, geared motors, to get maximum efficiency from the motor, and 4 relay module and 2 batteries. One electronic component have been used is 7805 voltage regulator and a switch. And apart from that, this is the base I have been used 40 pin breadboard. So once you assemble everything, I wrote the program to control this via mobile app. The app name is called Blynk. It is a free version. You can use either from Apple or Android phones. So you just have to install the app, then you will find a certain code, communication code for that respective device. Then you have to use that code in your Arduino programming. Then it will communicate very easily. Once it is communicating, you can make any change in the phone itself, like selecting switches, like control modules. Then you can operate the vehicle by using mobile phone. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you how to write the program in Blynk app, and then I'll show you how I'm gonna control my vehicle. Let me show you how to use a Blynk app. Just click on Blynk app, then you will get this screen. This screen is having multiple options. While you're using first time, you have to log into your app. Okay, by default you will get a few components
for free. That free modules are good enough for doing all the basic um, programs. And here is the link. When you're using for Wi-Fi communication and all, you can use this link for communicating with Wi-Fi modules of Arduino. This link you have to use in your Arduino programming for communication purpose. Now, to create, I mean, to create input, to give the input, we have to create the push buttons on the screen in the app. So here are the default things. I have selected a push button. If you click on it, you can find these options. You can write what are the name you want. It's like forward or reverse or engine start or lamps, whatever it is. Then you have to assign the digital or visual input pin number. Time being, I'm assigning GP16 is my input. You can find the same input number on the Arduino device. Initial state you can set 0 to 1, and you can choose push button or a switch, whatever the way you want. If you want to add another switch, go back to the modules and select the push button or button. Then again do the same thing what you did for the switch one. For the second one, I'm assigning reverse, and you have to assign the initial conditions and the input uh, pin number. Like a GP15 I'm assigning because the first switch is working with the GP16. Now this is the program for the app. This is very easy and very efficient. Then you can use that link and write in your program, so it will
Let me
communicate.
show you how to control the vehicle by using the mobile app. It's a Blynk app. Okay, here is my design final program. Here is my screen. I made 4 push buttons like forward, reverse, and engine start and horns. So we can control these items, these functions by using the phone at the moment. My car design is not having a left right function at the moment, so we will use this uh, control for forward and reverse only. So if I press forward, the vehicle will move forward. If I since it's a push button, if I take off my hand, it stops automatically. If I press reverse, it comes back. So this is how to control the vehicle by using the Blynk app. uh, in future, if we have a mechanism to upgrade into left right functions, I can use joystick instead of push button, so it will be more efficient. I hope you like this project. Let me know if you need any technical details regarding the same. I'll get back to you. Thank you all.